Recently, we decided to see how good Flixier AI would be at creating promo videos for a travel agency on a very low budget to see if Flixier could help you save some money. We had no footage, no voiceover, and no defined script, just some general ideas of what we would want to include. To get an idea of what this would normally cost, we decided to go on Fiverr and see what we could get. Since the goal is to save money, we decided to look for the cheapest sellers we can find and message them to explain what we need. We told them we needed a video showcasing the top 3 travel destinations in Greece. The initial budget we had in mind for this was $50 for a single short video consisting only of stock footage and the voiceover. However, after speaking to sellers, we quickly realized that our initial budget for this was way too low. Everyone we talked to charged over $100 for a single video, with the average price ranging somewhere between $120 and $150, almost 10 times the price of 1 month of Flixier Pro. With that lesson learned, we decided to go ahead and show you what you can make with Flixier and ChatGPT. So we went to ChatGPT, clicked on Explore GPTs, looked up free AI video, then chose Flixier Video GPT. We told ChatGPT that we wanted to create a 9x16 format video for TikTok with a length of 1.5 to 2 minutes covering the top 3 destinations in Greece: Mykonos, Zakynthos, and Crete. For each destination, we gave it a fictional price for our all-inclusive and asked it to generate an engaging video and script. Since we already had some details prepared for each destination, we also gave it all the must-have info that we wanted it to include in our script. After a few seconds, Flixier GPT generated a video script that we were quite happy with, so we hit confirm and it moved on to generating our video.
Dreaming of a Greek getaway? Here are the top 3 must-visit destinations.
After the video was generated, we noticed that it contained mostly AI images instead of actual stock footage, which was fine but not ideal. Don't worry though, we're going to fix this later. For now, we decided to adjust the subtitle style. Here, we can upload our own footage to replace some of the AI-generated media, but we're going to do something better. We'll use the Stock tab to search for copyright-free videos to use in our promo clip. This allows us to replace some of the AI-generated images with real footage, making our video a lot more engaging for a very low cost. In fact, the first video you generate with Flixier is completely free. After that, the subscription starts at $11 a month, and that allows you to generate up to 10 videos every month. Yes, it requires a little bit more involvement than hiring someone to do everything for you, but the results can be just as good. And if you're on a tight budget, using Flixier will help you make 10 times as many videos for the same amount of money you would spend making just one. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Also, check out our YouTube channel to discover more free tutorials that will teach you how to create videos for your business all by yourself.